We're at the Capitol Theatre in Bendigo, and I'm the head technician at Capitol Venues and Events. We sort of lost focus on the Capitol for a while, but so things were getting a little bit run down. We needed to do some maintenance. The audio system was getting pretty long in the tooth and wasn't keeping up with the content we're putting through here. That was why we went in looking for something that would provide quality and quantity of sound that we required. So we tried out half a dozen or so systems with a listening panel, people from other venues who come in and listen. They didn't know what they were listening for, you know, or to, or any budgets. So we ended up with the KV2 rig, which is two Flown ESR215s, I think is the name of the box. The dual 15, 8-inch mid-range driver and a 3-inch throated horn. And there's dual 18-inch subs mounted under the stage and 3 of the X26. They're a dual 6-inch 100 by 100 front fill box. Most people have just loved it straight away. I'd describe it as a gigantic set of mastering speakers. There's incredible clarity. Everything's, you know, the vocals, you can hear every nuance in a vocal in the room. It's beautiful voicing. The thing that really sort of surprises me on this system every time I listen to it is how even the coverage is, but how good the stereo imaging is everywhere. So you can be, you know, the outside seats halfway down the room, and you can, you know, you're on the right-hand side, you can still hear mid-range on the left-hand speaker really quite clearly. So for theatre, it's great. You can really pin where an actor is on stage and make it sound like it's coming out of their mouth. You know, it's great. It's great for theatre. You know, the response from audiences has been great. The response from the clients and the bands through has been really, really positive. We're sort of so happy with the sound we got in here. We ended up replacing the foyer system with a small KV2 rig. You know, so it's become a KV2 venue.